This is Channel 2 News at noon.
Still to come, Frank's mild forecast. But first, Frank's got great news about a laser eye surgery that's just been approved by the FDA. In our noon Health Watch this Tuesday, the FDA gives life to a procedure that will give sight to some patients with severe cornea problems. Frank Field has more on the story he first told us about 2 years ago.
Dr. Joseph Dello Russo of Bergenfield, New Jersey, is one of the selected eye surgeons who clinically tested the laser surgery on defective and diseased corneas, which cause blindness. Yesterday, the FDA finally approved its use in thousands of cases, which means donor corneas won't be needed. The corneas come from donor eyes. The clear crystal cornea replaces the defective one. It's an expensive operation. It takes many months of recuperation. Until now, it's been the only answer for restoring vision for scarred and ulcerated corneas.
The doctor who referred me to Dr. Dello Russo had said a cornea transplant. He really didn't want to do it because he said it wasn't guaranteed that it would take.
Betty Jackson, close to being blind with corneal scars, learned of the eczema laser. The treatment was brief, just a few minutes, and the laser plays across the front of the cornea, literally erasing the pits, scars, and erosions that make it impossible to see clearly. After treatment with a smooth cornea, Betty could see. Now she is back for treatment on her left eye. Wide awake with her lids propped open, she stares upward into the light as Dr. Dello Russo smooths the front of the cornea with the laser beam, erasing the pitting and scarring.
Whatever he removed off of it is gone and it's crystal clear.
2 years ago, when we brought you this report, the laser surgery was considered experimental. But today, thousands of patients will be able to avail themselves of this form of surgery.
The eczema laser does not replace a corneal graft in all cases where there's corneal disease. It doesn't do that, okay? But there are certain conditions of the cornea which are just involving the surface layer of the cornea. Those conditions are treatable with the eczema laser.
There are about 40,000 corneal transplants performed each year. It costs $10,000 an operation, so this form of surgery, which costs $2,000, with all the benefits of quick recovery, is welcome news. And now we're going to take a quick look at our weather